Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. So today let's start with a new quiz set on the fourth lecture of intellectual property rights, and this set is based on the topic establishment of WTO. So are you ready? So let's start. First question. The General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade, that's GATT, was signed on 30th October 1947, 8th July 1948, 26th January 1950, 26th November 1949. The answer is 30th October 1947. Question 2. GATT came into force from 15th August 1947, 8th July 1948, 1st January 1948, 26th November 1949. Answer 1st January 1948. India signed GATT and became GATT contracting party with effective from 15th August 1947, 8th July 1948, 26th January 1950, 26th November 1949. Answer is 8th July 1948. How many total number of rounds of negotiations occurred under GATT? 5, 10, 8, 7. Answer 8. The last and longest round of GATT took place in Uruguay, Geneva, Tokyo, Dillon. Answer Uruguay. Uruguay round of GATT started from 15th August 1947, 20th September 1986, 26th January 1950, 15th April 1994. So it started from 20th September 1986. Uruguay round of GATT was formally concluded with which agreement? Madrid Agreement, Lisbon Agreement, Marrakesh Agreement, Hague Agreement. Answer Marrakesh Agreement. Marrakesh Agreement was signed on 15th August 1947, 20th September 1986, 26th January 1950, 15th April 1994. Answer 15th April 1994. World Trade Organization WTO was established according to which agreement? Madrid, Lisbon, Marrakesh, Hague. Answer Marrakesh Agreement. As a part of the Marrakesh Agreement, A. WTO was established, B. TRIPS Agreement was signed, C. TRIMS Agreement was signed, D. GATS Treaty came into force, E. DAC was established. So which of the following statements are true? The answer is A, B, C, D, E. That means all are correct. The predecessor of World Trade Organization WTO is GATT, GATS, TRIPS, BP. Answer is GATT. WTO started its operation from 15th August 1947, 20th September 1986, 1st January 1995, 15th April 1994. Answer 1st January 1995. Headquarters of WTO is in Rome, Geneva, New York, Paris. Answer Geneva. How many member states WTO has as on 1st January 2024? On 60, on 64, on 90, or 93? Answer on 64. The first Director General of WTO was Peter Sutherland, Mike Morey, Pascal Lamy, and Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala. The answer is Peter Sutherland. The current Director General of WTO is Peter Sutherland, Mike Morey, Pascal Lamy, and Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala. The answer is Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala. The functions of WTO are dealing with agriculture, textiles, banking, telecommunications, government purchases, industrial standards and product safety, food sanitation regulations and intellectual property, B. Foundation of a multilateral trade system. C. Bringing benefits like peace, solving disputes, and free trade. Which of the following statements are true? Answer is A, B, and C. These all are correct. Which among the following is closely associated with intellectual property rights? GATS, TRIPS, MFN, TRIMS. Answer: TRIPS. TRIPS agreement was signed on 15th August 1947, 20th September 1986, 1st January 1995, 15th April 1994. Answer: 15th April 1994, that is on Marrakesh Agreement, the same date. TRIPS agreement came into force from 15th August 1947, 20th September 1996, 1st January 1995, 15th April 1994. So it came into force from 1st January 1995. The subject matter of TRIPS agreement are A. Patents, B. Copyrights and related rights, C. Trademarks, D. Geographical indications, E. Industrial designs. Which of the following statements are true? Answer is A, B, C, D, and E. That's all are correct. Which among the following is not the main feature of TRIPS agreement? Standard, enforcement, trade service, dispute settlement. Answer: trade service. So the main features of TRIPS agreement are standard, enforcement, and dispute settlement. The compulsory licensing during national emergency was started after Doha Declaration, Marrakesh Agreement, Bali Package, Nairobi Package. Answer is Doha Declaration. The Doha Declaration on the TRIPS Agreement and Public Health was adopted on 15th August 2000, 14th November 2001, 1st January 1995, 15th April 1994. The answer is 14th November 2001. Okay, thank you for watching.